Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create a private text channel within Discord. Now you do need to have moderator or admin access to be able to create these different channels within your Discord server. So I'm either going to go up here to drop down and you can click create channel. The same way to get there is that we are going to click next to the text channel and create channel. I'm going to have the channel type of text, and then I'm going to call this mod memes. We're going to toggle on the private channel, so only the selected members and roles will be able to view it. So let's go ahead and click next. And then we can go ahead and invite individuals or add new roles. I haven't added any roles to this Discord server yet, so I'm not going to. I'm just going to click skip. And there we go. We have created a private Discord text channel for mod memes. What we can see from over here, if you would zoom in, you'd see that this mod memes next to it has a lock. That means it's private. But that's how you create a private text channel. If you found this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe.